They say men are weak when it comes to sickness. They never mention the man flu is a battlefield. You have a small cough, but in your mind, it's a full-on battle against a deadly virus. You need rest, comfort, and constant attention. It's a war, and you're the hero. The solution? The symptom escalation. Every time your wife asks how you're feeling, exaggerate your symptoms. My head feels like a balloon. I can't feel my toes. She'll be so worried, she'll forget to ask you to do chores. This was just one story about a married man's survival. Subscribe, like, and comment for more.